Yema yenatiefo akwa aba na Afrika se bono yemfa emu enchiremu ensom yenatiefo ene yanahwefo a wono ewo yententa kese no so ene Facebook no eswo na yeshase de ayakasa yi akanefo amakomako edu enum 15 days 15 days na wo my Ghana ye kwakoto aba ede yi wo mampani ene emrahye bedwafo na wo mo a ekabie wo mu ewo bambon sensem no wo mu guso ane Ghana fo edi kasa kire se ne be ya wo my Ghana somdue no enipa dasani bi emfa nkoto from adentia wo person party ewe nti no wo my Ghana somdue ensai enam so ema Lieutenant Colonel Jacob Kwadwo wo ye commanding officer ema Achiase Jungle Warfare School no ewo Eastern Region wo de abeto da akire mu ese se wo de eye kokromotie ekwa yi a ye de asotro ebeja akwan ana se bio se wuchinchim moto nso a ye bo mama ho topa na wo panya ne di ede Lieutenant Colonel Jacob Kwadwo ede atoja akire mu se Ghana hanom wote hanom se soja ni panin watie afutuo ene kasachira nsamtwerofo empanifo nam yeso ede ma Ghana mabunu nanso no se wo ye Ghana mabunu now dia wo ye wadwene se wo dia wo my Ghana somdue no wo mpese ye betena mu a wo ka kire wo plane sa sojafo no wo mo bebo mo pa anya brokotoa na video na eto amantere eso no enra ana Lieutenant Colonel Kwadwo wo de betu da ana wo kire mu ese die enti a sojafo eto anamo no ene se wo my Ghana somdue no ehia eche NPP wo my Ghana somdue ehia eche NDC enu ntine se wo ye politician na wa ye wadwene se wo be hye wo bi kutupa na wo so babunu se bio wadwene fra tonti wo so be di kutupa na chi akwa Ghana somdue wo be fatuo wo be fa sekan wo be fa ballot paper e de adwane a asojafo se enkantre se wo maye krado na wo Malaysia miam ese tetrem fraud boy he wo je hwe wo mehwew amade besie atimi asi wo de atodwa akyerem se wo my Ghana asrafo kudom eye wono mo asade se wo mbehwe ama wo my Ghana somdue no atimi akonkanen na abato na ye eto no eye internal security eye a police fo fire service fo immigration fo adwuma na nso sa sojafo no hwe na se ebia multimamufo no mo pese mutwi edefa a police fo no so a asojafo akire se wo mbeti asim na wo a wo be ma na dia be wo so firi se echanfo no se ne ho de awi akire na wa home efa na chi Lieutenant Colonel Kwadwo akire mu ese wo meya yetimu yi asomdwe no ayete ho no ehia papa esena bodie biada e wasase so enu ntine se waye wadwene se chentena ache wo de wo mai wo mpeno a na wo pese wo ye de a e de na kire se kowa ni kowa de obewu asojafo no be bu bruta emu nsam ne.
I am telling you here that I will only come in this 7th December within the Achimansa Enquiries when police tells me that they cannot. And when I come, I will not talk. I will beat you and the hell with you. I always want people to try me. So those of us seated here, any of you can try me on that day or try any of my men on that day. When you go to the polling station, just cast your vote, go home, go and sleep. When it is 5 p.m., come. They will tell you where to stand. They will count for you. If you win, clap, go home. Then you will not have any problem with me and then my people. We are not going to sit down for just 2 or 3 people to distort the peace that Ghana is enjoying. That is why I don't vote. I don't want to belong to anybody, but I want to beat everybody. We have a duty as religion or religious heads, as security heads, as family heads, as individuals, to protect the good things that we have as a country. And the only good thing we have as a country now is the peace that we are enjoying. Because with the peace, everything can go on.
Enti ebusuya eni ayati ye eye Lieutenant Colonel Jacob Kwadwo wono an woye commanding officer Emma Achiase Jungle Warfare School no ewo epoye mantemu a asojafo na akasa no wo mo kire se wo be ma no dinsemhunu na se do mbesi atia ewo kurom ha no wo hwade a wani ekese wani beje pam na eno ache no ana security expert ba ko a wono so ne din ede Colonel Festus Aboaje wono so yesoja ni pani a kire se wote bambo ase pam wo da to da akirem se esesenka eye elections no ye ma Ghana Armed Forces eka ho bie na nka omo hwe ema somdwe timba firi se duru mere bia na a police fo no ase timemfo pese wo mu etwifa wo mo so nanso no wo sere se ye ku anim ye mfa sojafo no nso enka ho na somdwe Entimi konkane.
If we presuppose that the military is part of the electoral security management, we're making a great mistake. It's a political ploy to include the military in election security in frontline law enforcement role under the guise of being in support of the police, and then infiltrate the ranks of the Ghana Armed Forces with persons who don't belong to them, or for that matter, the Ghana Police Service, and use those persons, rogue elements, to commit all manner of atrocities. And then the state says that I don't know these persons. It's not going to work in our favor. What kind of training have we given? The documents that the EC has published, including the police, the IGP, suggest that all personnel involved in our electoral process, especially the security management, will be trained. So if we have been trained, the commanding officer of Jungle Warfare School does not come to say that I will beat whoever. That is not a law enforcement function. Law enforcement does not include the tactics of beating people because they have caused infractions. You see, so no training has taken place. And this officer and the men that he was referring to are going to be involved in election security in the Odan area with a mindset that they are going to beat Ghanaians up if they call, look, everybody is entitled to human rights or the protection of their human rights. So even if we see persons violating our electoral laws, there are processes, law enforcement processes of how to arrest, and that does not include beating in any form.
Enti ebusuani ayeti ye security analyst nedin at the Colonel Festus Aboagye na wo kirem se an soldier for ka se wo mbebo nkrofo a wodwene ho a won tiase na asemu na ebusuani enu achi no ana Colonel Festus Aboagye e dia to dwa bi na wo kire se asa waye so disappointed se emra NDC eba bonte be ka se Brigadier General Michael Kwadwo Opoku ansa wone MPP dampem aso wone aban we dampem wodi niamo hu sembi ma ayawa so wese wogokura mpo basabasa ye no wese akire na kire NPP aba bonten abedi nine wo kirem se esese nka Ghana Police Service eto na mode na nso no police fo no ebia omo so eye nhwemu bet se NPP bedi nka aba bonten abedi nine de or asemka any asekam yanko.
If any person or institution makes an allegation, it behoves on the state to investigate the allegation. It is more than 48 hours ago since the NDC alleged specifically that a certain senior officer, Commander Central Command, is storing weapons and ballot papers and is in collusion with a political party to rig the elections in the Ashanti region and elsewhere. It is about 24 hours ago since the MPP rebutted and also advanced its own allegations. The authorities have not spoken. Ministry of Interior hasn't spoken. Ministry of National Security hasn't spoken. The Ghana Armed Forces has not spoken because that senior officer, is under the command of the CDS. The silence itself, or these silences, are to the confusion and the deepening mistrust. Given that there is a history of political interference in our systems, including elections, if the state keeps quiet and the state does not distance itself from the party that it comes from, the ruling government, and act like a constitutionally established body to look into these matters, we're only preparing ourselves for more disaster.
Enti ebusuani ayati ye eye Colonel Festus Aboagye ana wo kirem se de asie no ehu nanso fitibra NDC for raises allegation no wo my Ghana wo mo ye nhwemu apolice for no wo mo ada enu nti na bepem ne ye ntimi nya nhwemu biada emfa wo sojani a ye bo no kwado yi ehu
ye gusua eginamo awa hobambo nsensemu a na ye free asrafo aso ya kopie mo Ghana Police Service for akachi na esi amekese Ghana Police Service for e de katawa bonten agase ekirem sem oposi ni ono detective eye kopra papa Amando Ibrahim ono de djuma e wo Tuna Police Station na no Savannah region nim na esi amekese Ghana Police Service for ekirem sem wono ma twe no e de na sensen so onko tena fie kakra na mpanimfo ehwehwe ne nsemu ye pam na Ghana Police Service for no ekirem sem de ntia esi opani amekese no police ni o ma twe na sensen ni nyane sem wono ma hu se video bi e na mabafo tentan so akese ne nyasem kuma detective eye kopra baba Amando Ibrahim yin ordinance mienu benkum ne nifa krachi bi obonusum paw no wakɔnachi no wasɔre minim no wapa nusum na ba Facebook no so a DLFM 106.9 kofitela dama ubenya video ni bi ne wahwe mesre wada de ye kan wantimi amma Facebook no so a enya de betimi nya ho dance de me sara bomode na bra DLFM 106.9 ewo Facebook no so na positive no enkrata na kirem sem anam se sabe oposi nin enipa ya wo bunin se de na waje sa na mo bempo na watu no positive mra enya de ma ho kwan se kwabrane bona so tro benkum ni fasa na body minim shane kete se wantena se no wantena from net yetia no so positive kirem se tabi sa na mo nto oposi ni atienti omomade yankotena fie kakra na emra ehwe ni nsemu ye pam na esi amekese no Ghana Post Service for one statement about bonten kirem se eye posi sahene Dr. George Akufu Dampade aba moden atonka na se watu tetefun afra openimpa meka se posi ne esibiri munen abusuafo no modi nkomo awo nkurahye sam se posi bobakọ so aboa wono na afi nso ensema hodo biara fa se posi ne ho na mra ene ne bedi pam se sia meka nso so eye IGP aba moden afra Savannah Matanim eye regional police commander se omo moden no nkwa kratia o posi ne esibiri munen afie no na abusuafo no kwa kyekere mo werefi se de asie no emu eya pa ne mamadem ne enkwate ne ahodo a ma opesi nin oba made twen ne nsa benkum ne nifa esibira abantie no yenkwate ene ahodo ne se de twagu ye e wo video nim goda
DLFM 106.9.
I said go down, sit down.
Oga Sancho met you. And said, "Oh, no, me, sorry, me, sorry.
Go down. Go down.
But that comes.
Go down.
DLFM 106.9.
Go down. Go down.
Hold down.
Go down.
DLFM 106.9.
What will you do? I said go down, sit down.
Oga Sancho met you. And said, "Oh, no, me, sorry, me, sorry.
Go down. Go down.
But that comes.
Go down.
DLFM 106. Hold down.
atiafo ani a woti ye detective corporal papa Amando Ibrahim odi ne dwuma wo Tuna police station na wo Savannah Matanim ana wache kwabrane edina gina hono ma yenim adekro ye yenti obona sotro benkum ne nimfa sesabe wakọ bebe yekum na ntwie na twetwa nam no sabepepe na sotro no kro na mu chim ne da sum ne de ye kan na da ho dansedie no da Facebook no so DLFM 106.9 wo ba pe obenya bi ne wahwe ne wankaza do wani kuroti awisie ababede ho adanse yoko wensi na free Savannah Matanim aba ngofa se no akofa banie
Kwadwo ne rank ne yade bo rank ne biem
eye detective
corporal
corporal corporal pa
wonu inspector
dabi
wonu sergeant wo ye corporal
obo asotro no benkum ne nifa krache ne senka okasa kra obetie na se won mofom se be obi a woko school no waye late ne ye punish no na bona asotro sa de on tia se no okoba bi kra na me were ho kese ne se abrante ne zaka kire se bom de toso miensa
na wabo
na wasam bo no benkum ne nifa adan de na yeje
and you see wo body ne nyina nso no wa hankofo abrante ne nsa gunachi wa hankofo no abrante ne nsa ebia se sankanya hankofo ahon ka abrante wen ka obetimi a retaliate police ni squarely. You see mo amusha uniform no ho mo amusha uniform no hwe babunu bi betimi ne mo atie agina we are not inciting them Kwadwo
oko
yen se babunu bi akutupa but wo mo amusha uniform no nti ase se uniform no de hey atade Ghana ni babunu betimi ne watie agina de besie bi anya dan ensi but me pamto ba Facebook yi so a abrante ne nsa mienu nyina agu na chi a handcuff asuso mu o so wo ya ne hwia enye yie and sisi an wo ye armless na police ni timi gira na nim ebo ne benkum ebo ne nifa ebo ne benkum ebo ne nifa Kwadwo yi
oko
yen kan kire yu anoma police fo yen ka ebenom omu nyina bet de obete ne won fa mu afutuo yen kan kire yu anoma police fo yen country no anoma sojafoɔ sɛ mo wura tadeɛ yi a mo ne yen ye pɛ kofi Kwadwo ontima se
okomete wase pa
sɛ mo wura tadeɛ we gu hɔ ennese krim mo ne yen ye pɛ and whether wo shatadeɛ no ana wo shatadeɛ no sɛ babunu bi a ne buofuo se wono bɛtie gyina a yɛnte krom ha ane ye kɔhwe a policefoɔ bi wɔ sɛ hwiasa anwenso sɛ no mo hyɛ uniform sɛ timemfoɔ no bɛyɛ ɔma brɛ sɛ timemfoɔ no omo ebre wo mo nsam wa they will retaliate one day revenge mo benu mo ho
okon
why
me wura ho pa fi sɛ wo hwɛ opani a yabu ni yawe anya hwe no okon bɛ wo yira wo ma enti sɛ ne ba ana ne yire
ehwe video
ya sɛ ne kunu ɛno post ni akyekyere ne nsam yenu de agu na chi sɛ yenim ade kora wa ya pote na otumi bona sotro benkum ne nifa sɛ ya in fact Ghana Police Service ye besre ebinim bo adwuma papa na yanka na yeboa ebinim ye adwuma papa eso ani se yebo maba so nanso ebinim wo mumu a mapro in fact anama mutuo no etan menim tete ya saa opposition ni we kwaje ye efra opposition na kate
corpora
ene menim hantan kura bewura ne mafiri se de oye timamufo mo mpotem ho no mubufu se o ne besi ani e be ha dwen
ubetime di police ni se timamufo no sorry a wo wuntimi ni police ni bi
IGP amaya te ase se wo hu bibia ka biribi ena opposition no nso timamufo no ye manamfofo enti ese etumi ni mu fa yankofa nti wei timamuni hu police ni obetumi afa na damfofo okrum a e wode ye kwaso yi
Kwadwo ana a police for so my den o ma interdict no
yes o ma interdict no
wo mo fa metre Ghana fo menyini Kwadwo menyini 6.9 Kwadwo me summit me kama adwen
o tumi ka wa adwen
me menyini kofi video na pause Kwadwo me menyini de entia menyini no ebiasi kurom ha IG we me menyini
ba senior man abam de yehwemu se ebe
oh masa me si menyini na de SPN no ameka se menyi we nie no eno so eye headquarters a police for mienu tie o a police for mienu e wo mile 7 e the handcuff akọ assorted chairman ampadu e wo mile 7 okay omakobo no wo jontai e the handcuff atwitwa chairman ampadu nsa se chairman ampadu nsa we kura anya dwuma okay a police for ni dingu yansem me amene chairman ampadu ne yakọ police headquarters me na me chairman ampadu koye e ma ekọ report ye Pips for be catch yense wo ma interdict a police for mienu and na me no ka say and na 22nd November these two police officers are still working as a uniform so we minyini IG we minyini
ene ye besre police ahene
we minyini
Dr. George Akufu dampare se de nkrata na ba no mmomodен na muntu ho na mo firi se enipa bi se ni mu jana se onkoso anwo eye police fo na kachi mu adwuma de a Ghana fo dodo na benya so yade and do na nso be wuntem because we krachi ajo mo de ne hospital mo kwaja yare because akwa de na fa so no ko be yare we se bedu mebi ne sana so sia anya mwanwa because asotro ne se de ko ne sound na
Kwadwo ma mensa mo sound de
e wo de master fo ne sound no mu ntie se de asotro ne ko ya nkasa
na Ghana police police service headquarters NTS ye said de wo mo kan me menini Ghana fo ne bi nso anyi ni goda
I said go down, sit down. Oga Sancho, Matthew was. Yes, said, me, sorry, we perform. Me, sorry, go down. Go down. But that comes. Go down. Go down. Go down. It was me. Hold down. Please. Go down. I said go down, sit down. Oga Sancho, Matthew was. Yes, said, me, sorry, we perform. Me, sorry, go down. Go down. But that comes. Go down. DLFM 106.9. Go down. Go down. It was me. Hold down.
Ako oyiwa ene da ho no kobrane asum ene ye bom te sebe mayanka fo etwitwa nantwinam no enie
we said the police ni we kwagina court wa ebenya lawyer ni abe defend distant yebenya lawyer ni o abe defend sade we and so dia wo bu no yenka assess why but so why bone kura no this is not the way to punish him
be say entwiti ni pasa sebe onya aboa aboa kura mpokura na mra ma ho kwan se obetete no na
enti wo bona so benkum ni fan a wo hwe wanim din you see esum ababoy ni tirim sankanya honkofo nka de besi esum aba ni tirim because we say ya you see and police you know he was doing this with impunity I say oh yeah bet me mfa ho mo pa mo video me mfa
ho police fo no ba ko na gina ho yi ah no so wodi na ni krotu ya hwe de ekoso no ono so kura se ono so kura no mutumi internet ono so bi because de ekoso no waboa once a ugina ho na de won na mo na metere kura hwe ba ko so na besen ko
ana say e obi na video so police ni hu say nsemhunu na wo de ni video but won suro the reason is say wo hu say police administration no emre say de ehu enu ntia wonim say ebi mpo interdiction no ye ntimi interdict no na nke ba ne say na wo ye we she uniform ye video and he was serious doing it I mean wo hu say police administration emre and of course emre so me ento akase ebo no so oba yen Facebook no so a video no eda so ya papa ye to akase ebo no eso a wo my Ghana yen sika krabia Batan Bank of Ghana wo pani a wada no se amrado Dr. Ernest Addison wo de atodwa akire mu ese ye wo sika krabia hodo no bi wo hono mo a wo mu dwumadi a wo mu die ni wo mana motu a wo mutu obi ntino ama wo mu aye mre papa enu nti anachesanam so a eguo no na emom na nyese obi anase bio wanye na dwuma yie ewo Bank of Ghana na se bibi esa wo de atodwa akire mu ese ye fra bibi business models and strategy wo se ekwan ya eye sikakra bia hodo bi eye banks ni bi ene kire se enkofo edidwa ene ade no ebewi akire no na banks no aye hodo sese bi abrewa 90 years enum na afi no akofa wo ye ni ana atimi aba wo se aba na sa no a yemfa sobo no emo sa banks no wo say wo kire mu a se besika krabia ene hu dwumadie no a eye external shocks bi te say COVID-19 ba ye no ema sika krabia hodo ewiase nyina mpo no ekọ ohaw mu de nanso no Ghana a se bi o ye ni airline de so no ye ka ho na emom no ontimi nka se external shocks no nko a ana atimi egu banks ahodo na emom ye wo sika krabia hodo ni bi ho no mo so a wo mu dwumadi a wo mo edie no enya de se etimi eboa eno nti wo kire mu ese ye kọ ye ne mu eye Bank of Ghana no ene kire se edwumaku ahodo ne wo mo akabie wo mu a omode nhihye bia betu dwa friend say business model analysis BMA eno no eye niam ahodo mbetimi ede egu akwa mu na Bank of Ghana no wo mo ahwe se banks ahodo no dwumadi a wo mo edie no eye kama na wo mo entomra na kire be no enkofa wo ye ne emma naja obisika kora bia na se obisika enkonkoka ekwem. Dr. Ernest Addison
The root causes are generally more structural. If not identified in time and allowed to fester, these vulnerabilities will make a bank's activities increasingly unsustainable to the point where it becomes non-viable. Going forward, the bank is incorporating business model analysis as a key component of its supervisory frameworks to enable supervisors identify bank vulnerabilities at an early stage and help to ensure their safety and soundness.
Enunti eni ayeti yi eye governor Emma Bank of Ghana Dr. Ernest Addison ana wakasa yin na enuachi anachi eye Chief Executive Officer Emma Chartered Institute of Bankers eye owura anidin ede Robert Jato enso ejebre ene ensamtrofo edi nkomo kirem se asemu a Dr. Ernest Addison eka no wono nso wo wasemu a wobeka ewo ho na wajebre ene DLFM semtrofo edi nkomo a
important is that we have redesigned an ethics certification in collaboration with Bank of Ghana for the industry. So a number of things. But we also know that the future is AI and also how we manage the risk. So we are launching a digital academy which will address areas around AI, data and analytics, but also have a chartered fintech qualification.
Ebusuani ayeti ye eye wopani a wono ana oye chief executive officer Emma Chartered Institute of Bankers Ghana Robert Dato ana oje brane nsem trofo edisa enkomoyi
ye to akase ebo no so ana ye bo ede awuramu ewo frankatini ede ma NDC chineye emanyeku no omampenda da John Dramani Mahama ede sem da tudwa e chirim sem omanga na yetim sese na du babia behu na akuafo ene wono ma asabe omoye fulani fo ye omoye nantwei na atwade bo na fulani ni abomade atwen krante no de eku Ghana ni ato atwene kwa asabe mfaso obi ani so o chirim se ni nyina ne se babia fulani fo ne nantwei bedi die no ena akofa ma so saa de bai ne ebinim kunkum Ghana fo tugunti watena se adwene fulani fo ho nti ontena se ma santo kwa we no ebi ensi biewum wampenda da John Dramani Mahama akaze chirim sem adehia mo wa Fran Prince de matede na everisem moya adom na moto abande ma no be Ghana mampeni a obape oba kwaje asase yantam ede afianyefo no hanom ede hanom ede mafulani fo edua han ahodo a na nhwe betime nya bia didi na omammen se be ye beboa na munkosi ensi obi aburofom enkware menkofo ntokwa emfama oman Ghana mum Ghana mampenda da egazin do chirem sem sana moto betimi ya boa basabasa ya ahodo ata sore pa okopiem agoko ena afin so ya Fran Prince potem no mo no piem antamu na etimi enkoso bi okram ode so ade tudwa ane to abom kopiem na nana mahemfo evidence asofo na dehia wonom ewo Sakola Park ane ne wo donko kroma ne wo chese ne piem antamu ena wo chirem se wotena ase na wodwe ho a sa ne mana na te akoso no ha dwenye pa ni senti obetu sa na mo we na afin so obetumi akofa veterinary officer so de apa na nantwe mpo yade a yebetumi awo ne pane se be ya onoma mu ye nantwe nso sabe omusi kasem betumi agina yi na nantwe nkwankwa yare nkwafa no nkwa hukwa ewo mera wonye kapra emfafiri mum onama mpenda da John Dramani Mahama ekopie mum ewo Fran Prince ne kase awodo to dwa no emu enchire mu no enie
Rollins wo ho
Sammy ne Rollins lesigia
ebe ye baby se ne be ya omo hwe enantwie so ene emwa so ombetimi ede enantwie na kɔ hɔ na omo akonya omaduane
be anyikpala wa ten ko nyo yi kama wa kpon dudui
efri se amre em se aban emfa ne ni nkɔ so
ejidudu o ma konku lanti gbere
se NDC ba
na NDC ba
ye be ho hwe ho yie
biga kpogama pa
na ya ye ho fefefe
ye wo gama wa nyakpo
na yedua eduane a nantwie ne endwan epese omudi
nya dogbasi kanyi bil anlo oduo
se ne be ya yenuanu fulani fo
mi no fi fulani wa
anopa mo sori a no mo de omu nantwie akɔ
no chondi a wa chonyi akwa yire tefe mai
ombenya eduane di ombenya nsu anom
wa kpɔ no adu akɔchi anu
also
egama ha
ya the veterinary for be kwa gina ho
mi akɔ veterinary to ayigama
omo wo nantwie mpanie ne ade
amayo do abi na enyi wa
omo de nantwie no kwa na wo mo panie free of charge
wa do abi na fama he
se ne be ya omo so
de yo ha
se ne be ya omo so enioma be ye yama omo
enu wa chechi na yo ha
na entokwa na esi
echirema jojo
omo ne ekuafo ntem no
bakli agledela odomi
na eso ate
na eji wa chom
enioma bebre ewo ho a nyame adoma ye behwe ne aye
enu gedele mi gbo wowoga
eni a woti ye eye frankatini edema NDC chiniyama yokuo no omampenda da John Dramani Mahama ena wochire msa adehia momo ye akuafo a munye nantwie de moto abade ma ne pe oba masitrem ebe ye de pa munchire mu ena ye de asumwe
yentoa awia pram to breka sebo no eso ye de free DLFM 106.9 na wiai ye de ema wona aba ye Facebook no eso a ene nantwie we de Wasakasongo pa de odi ani monokwadwo Wasakasongo pa
no boadwumaden pa na damfo
ya to aso akwa ni mu ani agbade awuramu ewo electoral commission na electoral commission e de abetodwa akire mu ese ballot papers na wo mo print dada e de ama mantam mienu voter region any half region no wo mo ehunu se serial numbers ya ye de ama sa ballot papers ni nyina no enye correct enye papa enu tie kasa yi wo mo aboabo ni nyina no de agu eye container mu a ene ye kire se cargo mu akwa ni nyina dworobe na wenu ekoso enra wobra wo mo ehye no no so no na political parties no wo mo ensi anamufo ewo ho ana independent election observers wo mo so gina ho National Intelligence Bureau fo ewo ho NIB fo ana Ghana Police Service na se Ghana fo beka yi a encha yakura ana electoral commission enam deputy chair in charge of operations Owura Samuel Tete so de betu dwa kire mu se ballot papers no aya printed ama voter region and afen so no ahafo region no wono mo bia mu no mo hunu se emfomso e wo serial numbers no munti e ho behia se ye trade atum ye hye no na ye san print foforo ekanie na eno ewurade na no ana wobra wo mo ne nsam trofo edi enkomo no Deputy Director of Research, Monitoring and Evaluation, Edema Electoral Commission, Fred Tete, Wadatu da Achim said the Intia, one more equator Ediatumu Ashenono, one more empesa serial number beer enya papa, ebetimi ababe fremu, now watching a beno, aquafament mewase, etimi aba, Nasa Oko voter region, ballot papers now one more Asheno and voter regional, 180 bags, 180 bags of a year defective presidential ballot papers and 66 a year bags and also a year parliamentary ballot papers no e will voter region na omu trade to na buy in Facebook no so hey ebusuan an esum ho se ba ikukuo no esum ho se den ye be trade to ni nyina mu enti voter region no presidential no a year 184 bags mako 184 and parliamentary no so a year 66 bags. Na oko ahafo region so a presidential no 67 bags presidential ballot papers and parliamentary no so 21 bags ye ka say electoral commission kire say e ka ba no enya e ka kotoa nanso no Fred Tete what the tonsam trofo anim say
a total of 184 presidential bags, ballot paper bags, okay, for voter region. Presidential ahafo, we came in with 67 bags. For parliamentary voter region, we brought in 66 bags, and for ahafo, we brought 21 bags. I believe when you speak to the political party agents who were with us at the printing house, they will testify to these figures. And these are the figures of bags that we brought to the dumping site. Now, in terms of the content, for presidential, the 100 booklets, we had 9,536 voter region, 50 booklets, 1,119, 25 booklets, 1,082, 10 booklets, 1,970. For ahafo presidential, we came with 3,344 booklets of hundreds, 393 booklets of 50s. For 25 booklets, we brought 401 booklets, and then for 10 booklets, we came with 654 booklets. Same figures ran for the parliamentary because we printed, presidential ballot is printed one, the same one will be printed for parliamentary. So those are the figures, both for parliamentary and for presidential. So on this note, like I said, all the stakeholders here endorse the disposal certificate. We are going to do a copy for all of you so that you have copies to take to your offices and to your political parties. This is the sample of the disposal certificate that we all testify to the materials and we destroy.
Ebusuan ani ayeti yi eye wopania woye deputy EC Director of Research, Monitoring and Evaluation. Nedin at the Fred Tete ana wakasa yen. Na enu ache no ana womo a ekogina political parties na nemu. Emma ye trade etu mu se yen hyehyehye no. Ene independent election observers. Wono mo so jebre.
Largely for the purpose of distraction, I'm certified, picking it from the storehouse to here. I mean, it's been quite transparent and I'm okay with it. I don't think there's anybody who has expressed dissatisfaction with the process so far, as far as the distraction is concerned, or the disposal, as they call it, is concerned. I did sign for NDC. Yeah, so we only hope and pray. Barely election starting. I think the special voting on 2nd December. We only pray and hope that where we are doing the new printing, it will be done before then, so that of course, NGC, those ballot papers that we destroy are from our stronghold. So we are a bit anxious, but we pray and hope that before then, the new printing press will do it, and then it will be transported to various constituencies, various police stations before the election. So beyond that, we are okay.
My assessment of it, I don't have any problem. From the full start and the dispraise. But because I think saying commanding now but they thought to say distribute ballot papers to the regions. On person do anybody ever come on I pressure James and ballot papers no coin and say Mama and they are but the process is okay.
The ballot papers have been destroyed completely. As you can all see, right now they are being destroyed because there is a saying that there's a problem with it. So all those problems were corrected, but still EC was insisting that the way things went before, they don't trust the serial numbers and then the counting and everything that has to do with that. So the contract is being given to another company to print it out. So
Kwadwo eka abano
eka de nya ba wi
nyeka kotua
Ghana nanga se ka ba he ba dada
omen ye boka asa obi emfa ho se omudwin se new sika nsie an sika
na kroma obi osika nya nyina de ya no de bo e Ghana fo sika
yo na ya print baako ya hunu se mfumso wom Kwadwo
aha adwen edoso pa
sebio printing press here we animu hey Kwadwo ukosa onye printing ti sebia 4 pages ma wa se obeye piloting obetwa baako de abekire se bibia ye kama ana meboa obetwa baako de aba no ahwem se obibia ye na se woman go ahead and then watch the rest of the copies yes sir so eba ne sen ana 184 bags enye bag nketua bags of ballot papers. Ye hunu se baako ye mfumso, ye hunu se mienu mfumso mu ye twa 184. Ansa ne hunu se ye mfumso. Tie nkotwa jantum. Ghana fo sika nso. We ye mu akonta nso nkire wo bia. So bia mfa wo bia adwumam. Piaga odifrache mo asafo. And say NPP need more years to transform Ghana. Richard Ahwe, and also me aha, emi akwaba. Na in fact, aside with LT, but what I have to say is Ghanaians need equal right, but not justice. DLFM, the news is official. Loud and clear. Work Bitchley station Honomoa. Yada say DJ Ghanaman. Lioness. And I say, this is very sad. You police meet me chin and young code handcuff eguninsa egunechi papa na some senior wope. Na zinabu ademu. And also my hammy akwaba no way in life edifrika swa a man from na Zizi Saloon was say what is going on in Ghana here. Rocky Stone and I say Ghana Police Service, Ghana Police Officer, Tidia Wuye, Echreseng, and now Robert Usu, and I say Adeng, ow, Bonne Bang, Kofi Parliament, and I say all that we are praying for is peaceful election. So God help us. I am watching you live from Aguna Bobikuma. This sequence Abigail, we have Brantana police in the assault no was so sam, Anna Bentete, and I said, but. Is this a policeman? Watch his shoes. Wash a crocs. One share a soldier from Pabua, one share police from Pabua, or share crocs, sandals, and what did this answer Hunosano? Na Emmanuel or Heba Nyakon. And I say, this is very sad. I am not sure he's a policeman. He's a police officer. When you're sure saying, in the uniforms, when you're sure saying, Fafa Joyce, and I say Ghana police. I don't want to lament about their service to mankind. Na Emmanuel Ohireba Nyakon was say offer gangster cat. Okay, you made us say. Na Mark Boyo and I say good afternoon DLFM news. Loud and clear I was Shyman official town. Yada say papa. Anna Bismarck the Don was say the news is clear. Yada say Ofosu James. And also my hami akwaba. Now this is serious. Ghana Police Service, be careful the way you treat people. We are like you. The difference is that you are wearing uniform. I am watching the news live from Obom. Okay, we say I am careful. Now Francis Nate, and we say the agenda for the MPP has leaked. Hey, me want to say bro for them so di bekum okroma the agenda for the MPP has leaked ono nkwa de betima akire mu e Watama community 25 oh medame hu aba sports is up next.
DL News.
Abusia enawie mayama wa ha ema wa kwa bamfamra deal 106.9 emrawie do se enawie agudie momrantie yesi enkunya na agudie mo nso nsama wodo a ya boaboa no abusia yede bane yede besomo ne editie se wote Facebook fo no so ne edi hwe se mo hwe na ye nso ne edi kase ye ka no na ya boaboa ni nyina no anawie yede bane yede abesomo mi amede nsam no eba no edi ameje so no ayensu ano de hye Ocran GH the blessed king Mr. Kwame Efum ena ebomachi don mamede nsam no ede abro mensha siam famfi yandie mu de Ghana mrante a esi akan ewa manone no Afcon qualifies game a nansi eni omaya ye friend Niger ede boani no obekaya Ghana brante a ye friend Abdo Isaku Fatao a osina kan de ma Leicester City ewo English Premier League no abrante no ekokoprae na okoprae no wakoye surgery na injury no anterior cruciate ligament injury ene yetwa ne tia ka ne ACL no na bosum nsia kosi enkrom ansa na abrante a ye friend Abdul Isaku Fatao ebetumi asagira na so abesi akan biem enti season we de over edema Abdul Isaku Fatao eno na Steve Cooper oya manager edema Leicester City boboko no abeka se Abdul Isaku Fatao injury no big blow edema Leicester City boboko no ena ono Abdul Isaku Fatao personally no big blow edema no esane se injury no serious anterior cruciate ligament enya kra na ama branten season we no ontumi embobo bi weni nsama Steve Cooper Leicester City manager area betudwa ene yeto aso ebisa no se Jordan Ayew so yehun se sa game no as a report na ba ni se oprae enti Ghana yen last game a yeboy no wentumi ambobe na eno so enwon sansam etisen eno se Jordan Ayew injury no en shada nye serious biasa enti na otwen Leicester City game am omone Chelsea bebono abrantia ye friend Jordan Ayew ebetumi abo weni nsama Steve Cooper Leicester City manager eri atudwa yedi amao na uram ewo English Premier League no so far no ope embrantia oma complete most successful dribbles first three ni nyina no Ghana mrante edika no ya Abdul Isaku Fatao obone bo edema Leicester City wa complete 29 successful dribbles na Mohamed Kudus West Ham United ono so a complete 28 successful dribbles na afen so Antoine Semenyo Bournemouth ono so a complete 24 successful dribbles yede awonsam edi atoanim na former Accra Lions omo left back your friend David Odro ende upiem Spain osina kan edema Barcelona bi no na since abrante kwe no ne mono eso ani pa enti no kase Barcelona emema team no ankasa no omu coach your friend Hansi Flick watonsa edi afraid David Odro se mono a obo Barcelona bi no eso ani enti Brazilian team no na oni omo betreni enti ani gisem ene se David Odro a start any Barcelona omo main team no etreni a bibia tutodi a obetuma hyase esiakan edi ama senior team na ye bompai sebebam esan se David Odro or your future left back edi ma Black Stars of Ghana ye de won some edi atoanim na Ghana ye ntuma qualify nko Afcon ye twa wata enyama ye basai na Ghana Football Association omo de nkrata edi ababonten se omo ti ase Ghana for mabemo bumu ye disappointed frustrations awodo ni ade asserting performance no omo dan edi no anso ani obentumi an qualify amfa nko Afcon ti Ghana for nyina no omo pamocho momfa nche enti GFA edi nkrata ababonten abepa Ghana for nyina chem omo chema on the 28th of November wa Ghanaman Soccer Center of Excellence Prampram no omo tonsa edi afro bibia oye involved in football inti opinion pool and omo beye omo chima nananoma infofo former players, coaches, and central for any obi bia baby, Omo Tonsa Fresada and Momre, na Montua to Adrena Quaya, Ghana football no ebe fan into my pefrano, and to me fan into my pemfra, and watching a GFA HMA on the 27th November 2024 no, GFA Executive Council no, Ombeshia Otuado, na Omagine report no, nani technical report Omashim, Ashe, Sir Jumano, Obetuaso, Ana Obekono Bibu Fraba, winning some GFA area to ga, Yedi Amount. Coach J.E. Sapon, a veteran coach our Ghana, where coaching teams out OP, or say now no Black Stars no, a bear ordinary Division 2 team, players no air bar, no agency into the Blasters in there, according to Coach J.E. Sapon, or say a bear to ordinary team beat say Division 2 team, players no bono, no agency, winning summer. Coach J.E. Sapon or the Atuga, now former Black Stars of Ghana player, your friend Yimano Ajimabedu, aka Ajingo, or say Onyan retire. Nemo national team media, baby, and if you do near the idea, national team on waka, wa retire, Nemo club football, there on retire, ain't in the team be, any services now bar. Ono Yimano Ajimabedo, why you ready? I crado, say obet me esia kind Eddie Amao. Yimano Ajimabedo Ninsama, or the Atujanoa, yes, Sanimu Eddie Gufem. Eddie Amao, now Ghana Premier League match day 12 games ebeba so nyame admoch na wo University of Ghana Stadium no about 7 p.m. had to folk and in so atema bebo na kwasiada games no beto so Dream Sexy and Career United bebo Adriana Football Club and Asante Kotoko bebo Nations FC and Brekum Chelsea bebo Basketball Stars and Summertest 1996 bebo Young Apostles and Mediaman Sporting Club bebo Heart of Lions and Legon Cities bebo Bechem United and Accra Lions bebo na Bebieri Ghost Stars and Vision FC Eddie Abweni games we nyina no nyame adoma kwasi ada 3 p.m. na ebetumi abaso games ebeba TV no say na ti ochina 7 p.m. Haso folk ene bobo kwefeni so ateman we University of Ghana Stadium no Alpha TV Metro TV na 2 any original ebeyi na nyame adoma kwasi ada 3 p.m. Dream Sexy any Career United no Alpha TV Metro na 2 any original ebeyi na kwasi ada no Asante Kotoko any bobo kwa ye friend Adriana ewo Adriana fo fie no Globe TV ebeyi games we nyina no ebetwa gu GFA official app no so na GFA omo Facebook live no ebetwa gu na Taylor fa table ne to famame na etie fo mehwe se na Ghana Premier League table no enso esifa etie Nations FC edikan omo 22 baby any Ghost Stars etos me no 20 Miansano Heart of Lions 18 and Nano House of Folk 18 and enum no Medium Momo 18 or Shas Antikotqua 8th position and I'll be 15 points as your teams are at that relegation 16th Legon Cities 11 points 17th Accra Lions 9 points and 18th no Career United omo 9 points top scorers no Lawrence Osei Heart of Lions washe 8 goals and so ana Abrantia your friend Fraser Chaweterada or Bobo Kwa your friend Nations FC washe 8 goals war and Abet Amwa Bobo Kwa your friend Asante Kotoko or non so ashe 4 goals etwa so bebre bring into to me emfani nyina emfan so moa yede ewonsam edi amawa enye asem ketwa na haso fo game omone Bobo Kwa your friend inso ateman bebo no kunadu yi adom defender edema haso folk na kunadu yi adom akasa or see everything they are kono game be omo has bebo no omo fan as a final game omo be prepare for every game into omo catch fans ne say I am mre ba na mu odin amomra na mo metel machi na mo nkoso an support him na season be kwawie no ombe make him very proud when in sama kunadu yi adom ede atudwa Eric Alagidede general manager Edman Swateman or say house of folk point BGA omo nwiri game omo ne kotokoba bebo no na nyame adom ochina game omo ne omba bebo ne de has enya point no omo Inswateman ebetumi awini game no Eric Alagidede ne nsama odi atudwa no a yede ama na Eric Alagidede general manager Edman Inswateman atwane nsam so no odi tudwa se onim se nyame adom ochina Inswateman FC omo striker your friend Mohamed Abdulrahman obey ni kejua edi etia hasufo ko be go enso wo winning sama Eric Alagidede edi atudwa yedi amani ya sorry so no uram ewo amanoni a European leagues no
and then you matches ebeba so was Spanish La Liga Spain no 8 p.m. Getafe and Real Valladolid ebebo Germany German Bundesliga no 7:30 Bayern Munich and Osbeck ebebo and a French Ligue 1 France about 6 p.m. AS Monaco Omone Brest ebebo na we no Brest bobo kwenya ne awodwe no and 8 p.m. nso no Paris Saint-Germain and Toulouse edi ebebo ni upiem ewo England Spanish manager your friend Pep Guardiola Isla nanka season we kwa na wie ya ne contract on Man City wono aba na wie na so officially no Pep Guardiola assign 2 years contract extension at the Manchester City bobo kona obetna until June 2027 na so far obaye no include waje no eye makumaku du otwen English Premier League waje nsia UEFA Champions League waje bakon FA Cup waje mieno EFL Cup waje 9 Community Shield waje miensa UEFA Super Cup waje bakon na Club World Cup nso no Pep Guardiola etumi ajiba kwa yede enwonsam edema Rodri enso fi Spain osina kan Man City ewo England yebisanse yate se Real Madrid nyawomo pew na obekwa na no se Real Madrid no the best and the most successful club wiase enti se omoto nsafro obeye proud se obekọ enti ono no Real Madrid eto nsafre na obetie da Real Madrid offer no we ne nsema Rodri ede atudwa yede amounts wo okay Brazilian legend your friend Ronaldo Nazario Derema osini wiase nyina oba na ni suade unu baako ene se obeye FA president ede ama Brazil football no enti oguso a odi unjuma onim se nche bia no sa da yeso no beba ema wabe FA president ede ama omaya ye friend Brazil we so ne yegina na agudie mu nsema ye boabo no ede beso no ye de si Isa Omotoyozi o Ashaiman Washington wo se we bi ma utie sanso na madam for Kent Bossman oye driver ni onso we bi ma utie ma minchia ebusia me ameden nsema ne ba dia meje so no ayensu ano de hye Apa KGH the Blazer King Mr. Kwame Afum ebo machi do ma meden nsema ne ba
DLFM 106.9
Yensan ema yetiefo akwaba na yento aso emfri ha na kasebo na wie ya na yede adro no nti yada yetiefo nyina ase na Kofi Taylor de ko Facebook no eso ye sore so a nana adwoa silky ene yefi adanti yebedi mo ene yebedi mo ne nana adwoa silky ene ni team Kwame Afum ene sexy journalist wombesi nkonya na afi no ene yefi adanti enkai dum beba na wamatena se enkai dum edition on DL Hour ye de bebrew ye so de ya ejetuato akenkanfo mienu medin ede gangster katia mete enkura mene emo tofo
Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B na okon ene eye ye maame oheneyere nana ama bosompra na woda mi seti dinu sibio oheneyere ohene ejere nana ama bosompra owapie mantemo nene na woda nti ono ankasa ne ba Rosemonda Achampon ose yen kan kire se Nyankopon onye ne kese pa na onfa papa Charles Kojofosu onfa ne nia grokranti Kofitera ba made na ma video ne ma me odi asapa na papa nwom ode sana ya o me na me ka kire wo hwe ya papa nwom na odi asasa no Oko eyeye maame ohene yire nana ama bosmompra ene wo kire mi se odono ntie papa wo so onsi ni form ene DLFM so onsi ye form ba kokora ntie ne na wo de kan se Yankopon onhira no nya ne kese o mene na woda no enya soronko na nhire bia nyame ahyehya ma no oma no emremu happy birthday once again en confirma ohene yire nana ama bosmompra efri wankasa wo ba Rosemonda Achampon chain wo se yenton krakese we emfa emao
Kwadwo de wodi birthday no de mini question busano na de all Sunday birthday message no na me wasem edin no dano beso so da ben Rosemond na dano beso so da ben wonchirem
no krame bisa no
Rosemond dano de wonchirem man
ya di biasese
enti e man happy birthday o heneyire mbwa
no heneyire nana ama bosompra
nana ama bosompra
sure
Kwadwo
oko
nana adwoa any team never better so on baby asana mo adwuma
na den
da be kan
na baby a obi awia enchi akase nkoma ho se de yatena se abopo no ebe ya adwuma
ebe epon mo bo ne sana me
me pompe
tiremu
me kwaje mu abesi ho enam da so na watumi abɔ adwuma den ha de na de mtawa chi
that's right
ha ho kura na obedi di
aduane ofi akwada nsu anopa
obedi di peche kura ha no ho
DL News.